Hello everybody, this is Eddie. Obviously I'm down here at Kelly Trucks. Today we're going to be looking at the Beast. Obviously the Beast is no exaggeration. 2019 F-350 XLT. Now you know that the XLTs come with cloth interior. Here at Kelly's we actually add the Katzkin Leather. Actually beautiful leather. And the gentleman who does that for us has 20 years experience, so he does do an excellent job. Obviously we have under the seat storage here. Brand new fuel wheels, 20-inch. Toyo 20-inch open country tires. And if we come around to the back side over here, you'll see we do have the spray-in bed liner. Obviously it's equipped with a backup camera, tow package, and you can tell by the little sticker here that we didn't peel off. They are brand new tires. I mean, what else could you want in a truck? This thing will pull anything you put behind it. So if you'd like to take a look at this one or any of the other ones we have, come on down here and see me. Obviously my name's Eddie. That's all for now.